Namaskar, welcome to PK's classes. Today we are going to study about the Latin square design and basically its application in bioassay we will study. So it is a design used in experiments and Leonhard Euler for the first time has given this type of design, and he used Latin characters as symbols, so the name came as Latin square design. And when there are three or more number of treatments, then we can use this type of design. So we can have 3 into 3 squares, 4 into 4 squares, or 5 into 5 squares, and so on. We can have. Suppose 3 into 3 Latin square design. So this type of design, so you can see suppose you have three treatments A, B and C. A, B and C. Then we want to repeat this experiment. Then in this type of design 3 into 3, in every row, so row 1, row 2, row 3, and this column 1, column 2, column 3, in every row and every column the three treatments will be present once only. So next we can write, we can start from B, B, C, A. Then we can start from C, C, A, B. So you can see here ABC, BCA, CAB, or ABC, BCA, CAB. So this is 3 into 3 design. Suppose we want 4 into 4 design. Then suppose we have the treatments A, B, C and D. Then how we can design that? A, B, C, D. So next we will start B, C, D, A. Then we will start C, D, A, B. Then we will start D, A, B, C from D. So in this way, A is repeated 4 times, B is also repeated 4 times, C is repeated 4 times, and D is repeated 4 times. So we have the repetition of the treatments, but we have changed the sequence. So for the first time, we will take A first, then B, then C, then D. Then we will start with B, B, C, D, A, then C, D, A, B, then D, A, B, C. So in each row and each column, if you will see it, any treatment, it appears only once. Similarly, we can have 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, like that. So let us see the 5 into 5 one. So A, we can give any number also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So let us take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Then 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we can have the design. So how this application? Suppose in bioassay we will discuss how this Latin square design can be used. So 3-point bioassay. So when we say 3-point bioassay, 3 points are 2 standards. Once we do the dose response curve of the standard followed by test, we will choose one test and 2 standards. Suppose the 2 standards are S1 and S2, and the one test is say T. So we are using the 3-point bioassay. So what will we do? S1, S2, T, then S2, T, S1, then we'll start with T, S1, S2. That means suppose we have taken this is the say response of standard 1 and this is the response of standard 2, then this is the response of say test. So in the 3-point bioassay, in the 3 into 3 Latin square design, we will do this experiment 9 times, 3 into 3 is 9 times, where S1 for 3 times, say S1 for 3 times, and S2 for 3 times, and T4 also 3 times. And the same sequence of S1, S2, S3, S1, S2, T we are not using. So one way is S1, S2, T. Then again we will start with S1, S2, T, and then we can take the average of 3 S1s and 3 S2s and 3 Ts. But here, to avoid this sequential error, we can use this Latin square, where first we will take, so this is wrong, and what we will do, first say S1, S2, T, completed. Then we will start with S2. So S2, T, S1. Then we'll start with T, S1, S2. So now we will have 3 values of S1, 3 values of S2, and 3 values of T. And we can take the averages, say TA, TB, and TC. So T is the average of TA, TB plus TC by 3. So in this way we can take the average, and this will improve the accuracy of the experiments. Suppose it is a 4-point bioassay. Then we are using 2 standards, S1, S2, 2 tests, T1, T2. And how we will design this one? S1, S2, T1, T2. Then we will start with S2, S2. That means the sequence. First these 4 treatments were given. Then we will start with S2, T1, T2, S1. Then we will start with T1, T2, S1, S2. Then we will start with T2, S1, S2, T1. So that means the sequence is like this: S1, S2, T1, T2. So first from this, then from this, then from this, then from this. So this will be the 4 into 4 Latin square design. So this is all about the application of Latin square design in bioassay. Thank you.